Hey, have you ever been to a fabulous holiday party?
I never get invited to any parties.
Well, if you were a little bit more fun.
How's this?
Oh, hey there. Today we're going on a journey across the globe to look at fun holidays.
Are we doing a deep culture dive?
That's right. You know, it's interesting. You can learn a lot about a people and its culture by observing how holidays are celebrated. So we've got a video on fun holidays around Asia.
Let's take a look.
Our first stop takes us to Nepal and India for Holi. Holi is a vibrant and jubilant Hindu festival. While primarily celebrated in India and Nepal, it has gained popularity and is now celebrated among communities of South Asian descent. This colorful festival typically occurs in March, marking the end of winter and the arrival of spring. It is a holiday to celebrate new life and the victory of good over evil. On the night before Holi, bonfires are burned to drive away the darkness, as a symbol of the belief that light will always conquer dark, that good will always triumph over evil. The next morning, kids and adults take to the streets with balloons, flowers, water and neon-colored powder called gulal. As music fills the air, people sing, dance, laugh, share food and stories. Children ask their elders for blessings. One of the main events of Holi is the joyful throwing of colored powders and water, symbolizing the breaking down of barriers and the celebration of unity among people of all backgrounds. The legend behind this particular aspect of the celebration is that in his youth, Krishna, the Hindu god of love and compassion, was worried that the fair-skinned Radha wouldn't like him due to his dark skin color. His mother intervened and suggested he ask Radha to paint his face any color that she liked. She accepted his offer and they became a couple. Apart from the lively color play and bonfires, Holi is also celebrated with delicious sweets and savory snacks. One of the most popular is a traditional sweet called gujia, a dumpling filled with a mixture of sweetened condensed milk, coconut, and nuts. These and other foods are shared among families, enhancing the sense of joy and abundance associated with Holi. Holi holds deep cultural significance beyond its festive rituals. It reminds us of the importance of forgiveness, renewal, and the triumph of positivity over negativity in life. The festival encourages people to let go of past grievances, embrace new beginnings, and celebrate the bonds of love and friendship that unite them. Traditional wishes and greetings people say to one another are, "May the colors of Holi bring love, joy, and happiness to all. May the Holi paint your life with prosperity, harmony, and lots of love. May the colors of Holi brighten your day with unity, peace, and happiness." Our next stop is Laos for Boun Bang Fai, also known as the Rocket Festival. This lively event typically takes place in May, and serves as a call to the rain gods for plentiful rainfall ahead of the rice planting season. The festival's highlight is the launching of intricately crafted bamboo rockets into the sky, their explosions an attempt to get the gods' attention in hopes of rain. The rockets are decorated with colorful designs and launched with much excitement and fanfare, creating a spectacle that dazzles everyone. Additionally, Boun Bang Fai features parades, traditional music and dance performances, and spirited games and competitions. During Boun Bang Fai, participants indulge in various traditional foods from Laos. Local delicacies such as sticky rice, grilled meats, and spicy salads are enjoyed during the festival, with people sharing food and adding to the sense of community and celebration. Boun Bang Fai holds significant cultural importance beyond its festivities. It serves as a time-honored tradition that reinforces the deep connection between the people of Laos and northeastern Thailand and the natural cycles of the land. Through rituals like the launching of rockets, Boun Bang Fai expresses the hopes and wishes of farming communities for a fruitful harvest season, and plenty of food for all people, making it a cherished cultural celebration that brings people together. Next door to Laos is Thailand, where the Thai people celebrate Songkran. Songkran is a lively and joyous festival that marks the Thai New Year. The holiday takes place in mid-April and is observed throughout the country with great enthusiasm. Songkran is celebrated to welcome the arrival of the new year and to symbolize a fresh start and renewal. One of the most iconic aspects of Songkran is the water festival, where people joyously splash water on each other as a symbol of cleansing of the past and good luck for the future. The streets are transformed into water battlegrounds, with revelers armed with water guns and buckets, creating an atmosphere of fun and merriment. No one is safe. Even businessmen in suits take part. In addition to the water festivities, Songkran involves various cultural and religious rituals. People visit temples to offer prayers and pour scented water over Buddha statues as a symbol of purification and blessing for the new year. Traditional Thai dishes such as pad Thai, som tam or green papaya salad, and mango sticky rice are enjoyed during Songkran, adding delicious tradition to the celebration. Songkran also holds deep cultural significance as a time for family reunions, rekindling bonds, and paying respect to elders. It is a time when communities come together to celebrate their cultural heritage and embrace the spirit of unity and harmony. From Thailand we can head east 2,200 miles to the island of Taiwan for the Taiwan Lantern Festival. This festival is a dazzling celebration held every year, with the main festivities traditionally taking place in the provinces of Pingxi and Tainan. The festival marks the end of the Lunar New Year celebrations and is a time of making wishes and offering prayers for the coming year. The Taiwan Lantern Festival is renowned for its breathtaking displays of lanterns, which come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, illuminating the night sky with their radiant glow. Lantern making is a cherished tradition in Taiwan, with families and communities coming together to create intricate designs. While creating the lanterns, people write down their hopes, dreams, and aspirations for the coming year and beyond and attach them. The lanterns are then released to the heavens for their wishes to be answered. In addition to the amazing lantern displays, the Taiwan Lantern Festival features a wide array of cultural performances, parades, and cultural activities. Spectators can watch traditional music and dance performances, participate in lantern-making workshops, and enjoy street food stalls offering a delicious variety of Taiwanese snacks and delicacies. From savory treats like xiaolong bao, soup dumplings, and baozi, steamed buns, to sweet delights such as tangyuan or glutinous rice balls, and pineapple cakes, there's something to delight every palate at the Taiwan Lantern Festival. Beyond its stunning visuals and delicious food, the Taiwan Lantern Festival holds deep cultural significance as a time for reflection, community bonding, and spiritual renewal. It is a time when people come together to celebrate their cultural heritage, offer prayers for prosperity and good fortune, and express their creativity through the art of lantern making. It's a cherished event that Taiwanese people look forward to all year long. Still in Taiwan, we head an hour north to the town of Yanshui for Fengpao, also known as the Firecracker Festival. This unique festival is held annually on the 15th day of the Lunar New Year and is celebrated with great excitement. Fengpao is celebrated to ward off evil spirits and bring good luck and prosperity for the coming year. The festival's origins date back to the late 19th century when Yanshui was ravaged by a cholera epidemic, and locals believed that the loud noise of firecrackers could scare away the disease. The main event of Fengpao involves the lighting of large quantities of firecrackers and spectacular displays of fireworks. Participants, adorned in protective gear, walk or ride through the streets while being bombarded by a barrage of firecrackers and bottle rockets. It is believed that the more fireworks that explode around a person, the more luck they will have in the coming year. In addition to the firecracker displays, Fengpao also features colorful processions, traditional music performances, and delicious street food stalls offering a variety of treats like tangyuan, which is soft balls of rice with a sweet filling, or jujube cake. Jujubes are similar to dates, so the cake is sweet, a bit sticky, and is symbolic of good fortune and happiness. Fengpao holds significant cultural importance as a time-honored tradition that symbolizes the resilience and spirit of the Taiwanese people in the face of adversity. It is a time when communities come together to celebrate their cultural heritage, strengthen social bonds, and invoke blessings for health, prosperity, and happiness in the new year. The festival's dynamic atmosphere makes it a cherished event for the Taiwanese people, and draws visitors from far and wide to participate in it. Holidays serve as powerful reflections of a culture's identity, beliefs, and values. From religious traditions to historical commemorations to social gatherings, holidays offer us a glimpse into the heart and soul of societies around the world. By understanding and appreciating the significance of holidays in different cultures, we not only broaden our knowledge but also deepen our empathy and respect for others. We learn that while our traditions may vary, the spirit of celebration and the desire for connection are universal. So, let's carry forward the cultural lessons of holidays. To celebrate diversity, foster understanding, and embrace the shared humanity that unites us all. Hope you had fun on our Asian holidays adventure. Keep on traveling, learning, and discovering.